My name's Maleree. I'm one of the founders of the My Maleree May Foundation. We raise money for kids fighting cancer. We're just over at the drag strip a little while ago. We tried to have a race, but it got rained out. We're going to have a re-race in a few weeks. Most proceeds go to a little girl named Pearl who's battling cancer. He is incorporated in our financials and helps us a lot with our processing and getting tracks and just going through all that. Now I'm at the drift car races with Landon, right?
Yes, Landon, yeah. We're here, we're gonna do some drifting today. So yeah, we wanted to get you in the car. This is my car right here. Yeah, go out, do a couple laps, and yeah, just have some fun. So yeah, I'm excited to do this. It's gonna be good.
A little nervous.
Yeah, we'll be good. You're in good hands. All right. Ready? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, and then if at any point you want to stop.
Super fun.
A little different feeling, huh?
Oh my gosh, yeah. I told him I'm used to going fast and straight. Like, sideways is a no-no for us.